Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. The exclusion amount for foreign earned income has also changed for 2012. The maximum foreign earned income exclusion is adjusted annually for inflation. So for 2012, the maximum exclusion has increased to $95,100. There is more information on this topic under Limit on Excludable Amount, under Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, in Chapter 4 in IRS Publication 17. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.